If you love cats and chaos, you're in for a treat. One birthday party, a bunch of balloons, and a very curious kitty. Picture this: streamers everywhere, cake on the table, and a mountain of colorful balloons. Suddenly, poof! Here comes Whiskers, tail high, ready for mischief. He pounces, he swats, balloons fly and bounce. The blue one zooms past and bop! Whiskers does a ninja leap. Guests are laughing, confetti's popping, and Whiskers. He's the real party animal. He bats a pink balloon, slides across the floor, and lands right in the middle of the birthday hats. Who needs party games when you've got a cat like this? So next time you celebrate, invite a cat, because Whiskers just proved every party is better with paws and balloons.